system of equations, but with 3 variables and with matrices. And for these guys, congratulations, you do get to use your calculator. So first thing we need to do is fill in the 3 by 4 matrix. So there's 3 rows because there's 3 equations. There's 4 columns because we have x, y, z, and our constant. Okay, we're looking at all of our coefficients here. 1, -1, -4, 18. Okay, but if you are careful with this next one, right, we have 3 and 5 for x and y, and there's nothing for z, so that needs to be a 0. Okay, and then our last one is -4, -2, 3, and 11. Okay, so just make sure, sometimes it helps to write x, y, z above these to make sure that you are not skipping over stuff. All right, so I typed up the calculator directions for you. So if you would like to try it out on your own, you're welcome to, and then see if you got the same answer as me. Totally up to you. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to hit second, and then this X at the -1 button, because in blue it says matrix, so I have to hit the blue button and then hit that guy. Okay, these are the different matrices you can use. You have to arrow over to edit, because I want to edit this matrix. Okay, you need to tell it what its dimensions are going to be. So this is a 3 by 4. Kind of cool. It just fills it right in for you. And then we're just filling in our numbers. So 1, -1, -4, 18. Oops. Being careful when we type things in. Maybe I should do that with the cursor. 18, 3, 5, 0, 10. Make sure that you are really careful. Make sure that you check when you are done. Use my sniffles. -4, -2, -3, and 11. Wish you guys could see the face that my dog is making me right now. So just to double check our numbers, we got 18, 10, and 11. -4, 0, -3, -1, 5, -2. Thanks to do this. Get it wrong. 1, 3, and -4. Okay. Then we need to quit out of this. So we have to hit second mode, which will quit out of that guy for us. Okay, and we did not need these. Not there, my bad. Okay, so now we're going to calculate something called the RREF. This is something that you can do by hand. It is long and frustrating, and why we have to have calculators, right? So here's your steps for it. We're going to go back into second matrix, and we're going to arrow over to math. So these are all the different math that you can do with a matrices. And if you arrow up, we get to B, which is RREF. Hit enter, and then we need to pick which matrix. So we go back into second, X to -1, and it tells us that my A matrix is a 3 by 4. Right? You could have named it something else if it made you happier. Hit into that guy, hit enter, and we end up with this. And if you look at this beautiful guy right here, you should recognize it. That's right, it's the identity. Okay? So you should have ended up with this guy. And believe it or not, boom, 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 your answer is right there on the end. X, Y, Z. Boom!